Jake is a boss, a mix between Satan and God. Playing it smart, blazing great flavored cigars, breaking apart space until I make it to Mars. I take it too far, consider me a state of the art. I ain't a brainiac, I hated math. Daily I was late for class. I gave away my education, I can take it back, but I'm fucking great at rap. Say I'm whack, play my tracks. I try to show my true colors, but they're gray and black. I'm paying stacks for these bitches with a naked ass. I'm doing loops around my block just like I'm racing laps. The only way I can escape is with an eighth of grass. I try to stay away from drama cause it make me mad. I'm getting sick and tired of vomit, then I take a nap. I wanna spit a fire hotter than a flaming match. I'm pretty honest and I promise that I'm speaking truth. The road I'm on is long, I'll probably take the scenic route. I walk along it even if it take a week or two. I'll eat my food through a motherfucking feeding tube. I'll lay the same effect as methamphetamine will do. I'll leave you feeling for that breath until you're green and blue. Matter of fact, I got a big mouth, keep a low profile. Oil on my joints till I'm empty in the full vial. I go wild, rolling up a fucking full pile. Slow burn until I'm swerving down a whole mile. Oh my, this kid is at it again. Attacking the land, smashing like a battered ram. I'll ask you again, I'm saying that a half of a gram. Well, let me put it in the back and then get past to your friends. It's just an offer though, so you could really sit back and think. I'll make yourself a little useful and get back to the sling. Fuck rapping, it'll tap until she rapidly blinks. But it ain't happening when I have a fucking rash on my dick. Shit is graphic when I'm rapping and I actually think. Load a post to social media, attached with the link. Most of the hoes that really feel it hit me back with a wink. I said, most of the hoes that feel it hit me back with a wink.